What day is today? June 10 cools us down with a classic beverage, honors a major milestone in human rights, and celebrates the test of the champion. First, National Iced Tea Day is the perfect time to enjoy this refreshing summer staple, whether you like it sweet, unsweetened, or with a splash of lemon. Next is Abolition Day in French Guiana, a significant day of remembrance celebrating the 1848 decree that finally ended slavery in the region. Finally, we have the Belmont Stakes, the prestigious third leg of horse racing's Triple Crown. Known as the Run for the Carnations, it is the ultimate test of stamina for 3-year-old thoroughbreds. Plus, EHS Day honoring environmental, health, and safety professionals. National Ballpoint Pen Day celebrating the invention of the reliable writing tool. National Bedbug Prevention Day to keep your home pest-free. National Black Cow Day for a tasty root beer float. And National Colt Day celebrating the energy of young horses. Pour an iced tea, watch the races, and celebrate freedom. Full guide at nationaltoday.com.